Hi guys, welcome to video number 3. Video number 3 of our review week. I know I'm a day late. I really wanted to post this yesterday, but I never got around to it. So I'm going to go ahead and try to cover everything today to finish up our review week. We're going to go ahead and start with our color and our shape. And you guys are welcome to answer any questions that I ask. But just remember, Miss Jamie can't hear you. So you can answer, but I probably won't respond to you. But if you have anybody around you, you can tell them the answer. And Miss Jamie will also be sure to give you the answer so you can tell if you're right or not, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get started with our shape and our color. So this is the shape and color we've been doing throughout the week. So just like we do here, if you know the color, Miss Jamie would normally say to shh, be quiet, but raise your hand, remember? But instead, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you to shout it out. If you know what color this is, go ahead and shout it out. All right, now if you said orange, you were right. The color of the week has been orange. And now I'm going to ask you if you know what shape it is. Just like we would do here. If you know what shape it is, go ahead and yell it out. All right, and if you said rectangle, you got it right. All right, and our rectangle has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So this will be the last of our orange rectangle now that the week is coming to an end. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and move on to our number of the week. Our number of the week. If you watch the other 2 videos, you might recall what number this is. Now, if you were here with Miss Jamie, we would trace our number just like that. So if you guys want to go ahead and trace it in the air, you can trace it in the air. All right. And then if you know what number this is, go ahead and shout it out. All right. If you said this was the number 2, 1, 2, then you were right. This is the number 2. And here's our number 2 flashcard. We have 1, 2. 2 puppies. And using our color of the week, orange, we have 1, 2. 2 orange puppies. The number 2. 2. All right, so in our review week, we have focused on the 3 letters that we learned in the 3 previous weeks. So, in our first video, we reviewed the letter P. P. P is for pumpkin, and P is for peacock. P. 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 Can you make the letter P sound at home? P. P. Our second video, we reviewed the letter Q. The letter Q. Q is for question. Q is for quick. Qu, qu. Can you say qu? Can you make the Q sound at home? Qu. And finally, the last letter of our review week is the letter R. R is for raccoon. R is for rhinoceros. Okay, so let's go ahead and review our letter R. We're going to use our starfall video.
R. R.
The letter R. Rainbow.
R. R. Rain.
See all the rain falling. Rain. Ooh, who knows what that is?
Red roses.
Here's our shape, but a different color.
Rectangle.
Good job. Okay, so to complete our letter R review, I'm going to read you this book about a rabbit. It's called Run, Rabbit, Run. Run, rabbit, run. I spot 6 crocs in the park today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 crocs. Hey, play on the train with us, they say. And little mouse down here says, stay away. Join us for a feast beneath the trees. I can see no meat. Do they mean me? Better not wait and see, says little squirrel. I see 7 vultures high in the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, can you fly? We will help you try. Little snail says, that's a lie. Jump in our boat. We will go for a row. Slow, so slow. Just dip in your toe. Little frog says, no, no, no. Three sharks swim in the new blue pool. 1, 2, 3. The sun is hot, but you can keep cool. Shoo, I say, I am not such a fool. So let's talk a little bit about this book. First, in the title of the book, can you find all the letter R's? 1, 2, 3. Run, rabbit, run. Now, when we were reading this book, I was wondering if you guys noticed what was going on. There's a little picture that gives a hint. We have the crocodiles that were inviting Rabbit to come on a train ride. But what were they thinking about? Here's a little thought bubble. What was that crocodile thinking about? And then the tigers wanted the rabbit to join them for a feast. But they seem to be thinking about the same thing as the crocodiles. And the vultures wanted to know if Rabbit could fly. They were also thinking about the same thing. What could this mean? The snakes, they were thinking the same thing. And so were the sharks. Take a close look at that picture. Kinda looks like a muffin with rabbit's ears. So I wonder if Rabbit needed to run, because all of these animals were going to get him if he didn't. But he was smart enough to get away. He knew he couldn't trust them. I hope you guys like the book. Alright guys, that's it for this video. But it doesn't mean you can't keep learning. Make sure to let your parents know what the weather's like today. Whenever you're watching this, let them know what the weather's like today, okay? And practicing your workbooks as well. You can trace your letter R. You could trace all your letters if you want, but today if you want to focus on your letter R, you could trace that, and you can also trace your names. I'm going to work on getting some new stuff together for next week, okay? Because we have a new letter starting next week, and we're also going to have a new number and a new shape and color. All right, well, I hope you're all doing well. I miss you all very much. I'll see you later.